In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Canva with Asana. This connection will help you streamline your workflow and manage your projects more efficiently. Let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First, start by opening Canva on your computer. If you're not already on the main dashboard, navigate there. Once you're on the dashboard, look around for the Apps option in the menu. This is your gateway to connecting Canva with various other platforms, enabling you to enhance functionality and productivity. When you click on Apps, you'll see a search bar on the next screen. Go ahead and type Asana into this search bar. Asana is a popular project management tool that allows you to plan, manage, and track the progress of your work. As soon as you see Asana appear in the list of search results, click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see an option to open Asana. Click on Open, and you'll be directed to a page where you'll be prompted to connect your Canva account with Asana. This integration requires linking your email that you use on Asana. So, click on the Connect button and follow the prompts. You'll need to sign in using the email associated with your Asana account. This step ensures that the correct accounts are linked together, enabling seamless data exchange between Canva and Asana. Once you've entered your email and signed in, Canva will prompt you with a Continue button. Click on this to proceed to the next step. After that, Asana will request permission to allow Canva access to your account. It's important here to carefully read what permissions you are granting. Typically, these include access to your projects and tasks in Asana so that Canva can update them directly. When you're comfortable, go ahead and click Allow. And there you have it. Your Canva is now successfully connected to Asana. With this integration, you can now create visuals in Canva and easily associate them with your tasks in Asana, allowing you to keep everything organized and improving your project's visual tracking. This integration is a powerful step towards optimizing your productivity, bringing together creative design and task management in one streamlined process. Whether you're working on marketing campaigns, design projects, or just keeping your personal projects organized, this connected setup can serve as a central hub for all your tasks and creative resources. Thank you for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and creative workflows. If you have any questions or run into any snags, feel free to drop a comment below. See you in the next video.